Welcome back to my third video of the Autoclass SEO series. In this video, I will talk about the citation and which type of citation is needed, and what type of citation really works, and how you can maintain a consistency among the citation. Also, I will talk about the JBP activity in this video. Now, for the local business, any type of local business, citation is actually important. It should be a general citation, it should be industry specific citation, also it should be location based citation, a local business citation. Like the if you are in, for example, in Dallas, you should get some Dallas related directory or business site and get citation from here. For this Glastonbury garland, I have created a sheet about the citation. In this sheet, I actually added every business information: name, address, phone number, and YouTube video, each and everything. Like the information all needed from a business. Then I go ahead and create it was general citation building. That's why I go ahead with the general link, like the general link in Manta, BBB, each and everything. You can get this also. You can get the top three citation. Top 3 citation is from Yelp, GBP, Apple Map, Bing Map. You should listed this business in most important is this top 3. And from my experience in the autoclass industry, I have seen this. If you go ahead with the yellow pages, because in low population area, site like the yellow pages ranks. If I go ahead for the if I go ahead and for the industry specific area, I will go ahead and get a citation from the Windshield repair forum, and other related forum of the autoglass industry or the auto industry. You can, if you don't get the citation from the if you don't get the citation from autoglass shop related, like the windshield repair service or windshield replacement service, you can get citation from the autoglass industry. Also, you can set citation from the this type of website, and PGW or the tool, another tool I forgot. They have a in-house site, in-house business directory for the autoglass industry. You should have added your business information. You should have add the business information in there. Also, in case this is the garland business, so I will go ahead and create some. I will go ahead and create some garland related website. I will create some citation here from the garland related website, either from the Chamber of Commerce or best citation would be the Chamber of Commerce, Garland Chamber of Commerce. those will be the best. Then we can I can go ahead and donate some money to different charity in the garland, and I can get citation from there. Those are the most powerful citation. In summary, I can say that you can go ahead or create most important citation. You don't need 100, you don't need 200, 250 or 350. You need 10 to 15 highly specified citation to rank in your area. The second part of my video is actually GBB activity, like the posting added emails, about the picture, photos and emails. I have told you earlier, you should have add regular photo, job photo, before and after job photo, and customer testimonial is you can add it here also. The regular GBP posting, you need to add the event. Regular update you can weekly, by weekly, 2 times or 1 times. I usually do 1 times for a glass shop or any other business I manage. I actually do on time posting, on time posting, and in every month for 4 weeks I added 4 offer. Either it's $10 off or $20 off or $15 off. I added that offer. The event type you can add. Actually, if you are business with a local shop, you can actually create event for $10 or $20. That in this you should say like that. In this I will do inspect your auto glass at 21st February on my location. You can create this type of event, and you can post those this type of event get sometimes picked by Google easily. You can also use that to show regular GBP activity.